So you challenged me to show you how to recreate this IANN DIOR picture. I took the mobile phone, went to the park, found a location that was alright for the picture, took some shots, and then did a Lightroom edit. Think we came close? Well, see for yourself. What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Wommack, and today we're trying to recreate this IANN DIOR look. We're in the park here in Barcelona to find that perfect location, and then I also got a puffer jacket to come as close to that outfit as possible and just see how close we can get to the image. We're not only gonna edit the colors, but also try and recreate the whole picture. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. Thank you for tuning in. Of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, if there's anything you need, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. Now, I've also created a huge preset pack for you guys. It features over 150 presets to just easily upgrade your Instagram game. It's linked under this video. Make sure to check it out, because the cool thing about this pack is that every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack, so you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Now let's get started and see if we can find the perfect location. So right now we're kind of having trouble finding the perfect location. Nothing really comes close to it, so the closest thing we found was this right here. It has a little bit of grass, and then we have some, let's say, bushes or maybe kind of like trees, and then we can have a little bit of sky in the picture as well. So yeah, we're just gonna try it with this and see how close we can get. Since it's a mobile tutorial today, we're gonna use the phone to take the picture. Honestly, I think IANN DIOR didn't really use a camera on this picture. To me, it looks like it's taken on a mobile phone, so we're gonna try just that. Okay, so we got some shots done. Let's take them home and edit them in the free Lightroom app to see how close we can get to those colors, kind of make the grass more blue and maybe blow out the highlights a little bit. Let's take it home. Now all we want to do is open this picture that we've just taken in the park in the free Lightroom app. Now I've also created a preset for you, as I said, of exactly this look, this IANN DIOR look. It's linked under this video in the all presets pack, so make sure to check that out if you want to save some time, or if you already have the all presets pack. Now we open up the picture in the free Lightroom app, and now we're in the light section here. What we want to do is go to curve on the upper right side, and then just pull up the shadows on the bottom left side a little bit, and then just smoothen it out towards the middle right there. And once you have this curve as it is right here, we're done. Now the next thing we want to do is just boost up the highlights to around plus 38 right here. Then we want to pull down the shadows to negative 16. The whites we want to boost up all the way to plus 35 and pull down the blacks to negative 28 right here, or 27. Then we go over to color, and here's where it gets interesting. First, we want to boost up the temperature to around plus 18 or 19, and the tint up to around plus 6. And then we scroll up, hit the color mix on the upper right side, and here for the red tones, we don't want to change anything, but for the orange tones, we want to boost the saturation a little bit to around plus 30 right here. And then now the yellow tones, and this is going to affect the grass, we want to pull the hue all the way up to plus 100 to that almost green blue area, and then we want to pull down the saturation to negative 45 right here. Now the green tones, next thing to change the grass, give it that blue look, we want to boost the hue all the way up to plus 100 again, and we can already see it coming close, and the saturation down a little bit to negative 41 right here. And we want to maybe boost up the luminance to plus 13 right here, and then we're done with the mix. Now we go to the grading tab here, and for the shadows we want to choose a hue of around 168 and a saturation of, in this case, 12 is perfect. Midtones, the hue 26 and the saturation around 19 is perfect. And now for the highlights, we want to choose a kind of blue tone, so we push the hue to plus 252 and the saturation to around 21 right here. Scroll up, we're done. Effects is the last thing we want to do, is just maybe boost up the clarity a little bit to around +6 right here. And now dehaze, we want to pull that down to -17 or 18 or 17 here, and we are done. And now this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that IANN DIOR picture. And I hope you liked this video where we went out into the park and tried to recreate this look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leave a like if this was helpful for you. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, if you have any new ideas or just new requests or any questions in general, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StephenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation and really excited to hear from you guys. Now, I hope I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.